Hello everyone, this is Tech20 coming to you again with another tutorial. Just have one quick one here. Let's just how to copy an Excel formula down, and we're going to make this real simple and sweet for you. So let's go ahead and get started. From here, we're going to go ahead and create the formula. So we have this, and we want to multiply this number by this. So what we're going to do is click on C1 and hit our trusty equal sign, which will start the formula. It'll know that it's actually a formula. And see, it's already trying to do a sum over here in the corner. So you can actually change that to a bunch of different things, standard deviation, payment, sum if, sin, all that kind of stuff. We're just going to do a simple calculation here um, of this, multiply it of A1 and multiply it by B1. Should come up with 2. Now in order to copy that formula, what you're going to do is just go ahead and you see all these columns here. You want to go ahead and copy that down. Right here, you'll see a little box in the lower right-hand corner of the box that's highlighted, and the green one, the green cell C2 or C1, I'm sorry, we have highlighted. You just go ahead and scroll up, see where it turned into black from there? It goes white, then it turns black. So you just go ahead and click and hold down, and just drag that down, and that will copy your formula all the way down for you. Hope you found that helpful. If you did, please leave a like and please subscribe for future content, as I'll be uploading quite frequently here over the next few days and weeks and months. Also, please feel free to check out one of our other Excel videos. If there's anything you'd like to see me cover, though, please leave it in the comments below, or also I started a chat on the community forum for that information. Thank you and have a great day.